What's up, guys? I am out at one of the ponds I fished at my parents' place, and I don't know, it's nice out. Gonna go test the ice, and then if it is good, I'm gonna try to catch some fish. But yeah, I guess wish me luck here. I have no clue how thick this is, but I just brought all my stuff down just because I don't want to walk back up. I actually saw a bald eagle when I pulled up too, so hopefully that's a good sign. Totally out of shape. Okay, I'll let you know when we get down there. We'll see. I should have wore longer socks. Yesterday I was out trying to fish. Had no luck, but I had short socks on in these shoes or boots, and it literally killed the back of my heel, peeling skin off and whatnot. Okay, boys and girls, new pond. I've never ice fished it. I've fished it in the summer and spring, but let's see how she is. I think I accidentally messed this up yesterday. Oh, it's thicker than I thought. What do we got? Oh, 7 inches. Damn. Okay. Well, I guess we'll keep testing. Well, I'm just gonna keep working my way. Looks like it's sitting around 8 inches. Yeah, 8. Seven. Nine. 10. 9. I need to map this better when it's summer. Thought it was supposed to get to like 15 in a spot, but 9. 9. See the bald eagles? The younger one right there. I saw one on the pond over there. That looks like another young one up there too. I don't know where the mommy is. Okay, I think I finally found some. Wish I had a smaller lure. Okay, so I walked back up to my truck and got some lures that might work, because the ones I got are way too big and they're not for what I'm trying to catch or what's in here. But we're gonna try. I got little jigs and whatnot. I left all my ice fishing crap at home in my tackle box. So yeah, wish me luck. So got my lures, got a scale. And I'm gonna change these out. Should have brought my tackle box. Oh, should switch to one of these. Oh no. I think I'm gonna try this. Barely fit. I'll load this bad boy up. Okay, wish me luck. A nice little bluegill. Sorry, I can't see. About time. Get in the mouth. Cool. Finally. I think the flasher is the best way to go here. I don't know. Come on, go down. I need a new line. Finally. Damn. That's a nice bluegill. Another one. What is that, catfish? Bass?
A little bass.
Oh, hard to see over here. Good job. Got another one chasing it. Oh, shit. Got a few of them down there. Yeah, the flashers were the way to go here. I turned it right to that and I had luck. Ran out of bait already. Nice little bluegill. Got him. Go down. Another one. Damn. That's a decent one. Beautiful. Come on, get out. How sharp is this thing? Come on. Definitely need new line though. Finally. It's gotta be the best. Yep. Nice little bass. Okay, we'll go for one more since we had luck right there. Damn it! Damn, that is a crappie. Didn't know we had them in here. That's awesome. Not bad. Stop. Nice. Cool. Well, why not try for more? I know. I keep saying that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Forgot to do an outro. It was cold and I wanted to get home and eat some food. But yeah, it was fun. I love ice fishing. Like once you start catching fish and you just keep getting them, it's like addicting. I kept saying, oh, one more. And yeah, but it got cold, so. And yeah, another pond that I was trying to fish, I hadn't had luck yet this year there. I went there yesterday, and I don't know how, but it was 7 inches, I don't know, like a week ago or something. We had like that one hot spell when I recorded this video right here. This was the only hot day that we had, and I don't know how, but the pond that I normally fish at, it last night was 2 inches thick. I started walking out and I'm like, oh, it's probably fine, but then like, no, let me check it just in case. So I drilled a hole and it went like right in, like instantly into the water, and I'm like, okay, not gonna do that. And I was like, oh, I'll try another spot, and ended up walking a little farther down to the deep spot. Figured maybe it's colder still because, I don't know, it's more water in between the ground, and I don't know. But I tried, and no luck, so that kind of sucks. I was really wanting to fish yesterday, and today it's like 54, which is a hot spell for here. So, yeah, kind of sucks. But hopefully we get a couple more cold days, and this stuff freezes back up, and I can get back out there and catch some fish. If not, I'm gonna definitely head down to the creek because they're doing some remaking of the creek where I normally fish, and so they're like narrowing it down so it should make the spot that I normally fish deeper. So could be good, could be bad, but I have a few spots that I haven't gone to yet that I really want to try once it kind of starts warming up and the fish are getting more active. But I think I rambled enough. You guys have fun, go fish, ice fish, be safe, and if you can, bring a buddy along. I just don't got any friends. I'm just kidding. Hey guys.